Do you need to replace the Palmrest assembly on your Inspiron 7425 2-in-1? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now disconnect the battery cable. Next, disconnect the speaker cable. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Now disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Then disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. If you have a 2230 solid-state drive, just unscrew and slide out the assembly. And if you have a 2280 solid-state drive, just unscrew and slide it out. Then remove the speakers. Then unscrew and remove the battery. Now disconnect the cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove the cooling fan. Then unscrew and lift the right LCD hinge. Now unscrew and lift the left LCD hinge. Next, unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the input-output board cables. Then unscrew and remove the input-output board. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Now separate the LCD assembly from the Palmrest. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the power button. The remaining piece is the keyboard touchpad Palmrest assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.